The United States of America has offered a $25,000 reward for anyone who could provide it with information that could facilitate the arrest of the Nigerian Olalekan Abimbola Olawusi, who is reportedly facing trial for the alleged murder of his child. Punch Metro gathered from a statement credited to the Supervisory Deputy U.S. Marshal Don Freeman and obtained from the agency's website on Monday that Olawusi has also been named among the 15 most wanted fugitives in the U.S. Freeman noted that Olawusi, 48 years old, who lived in Rhode Island, U.S., was arraigned on 2 counts bordering on first-degree murder caused by inflicting bodily injury to a child and an unlawful flight to avoid prosecution. He added that the incident occurred on the 3rd of April 2017 after police operatives and firefighters found the 3-month-old child bleeding from the mouth and nose at Olawusi residence. The firefighters rescued the child and took him to the hospital, where it was discovered that the child had suffered injuries in the 18th part of his body. The discovery was said to have led to the arrest of Olawusi. Upon his arrest, Olawusi was charged in court on the 20th of April 2017, but his whereabouts became unknown after he was released the same day, while the trial was pending. Freeman added that the infant died 6 months after being hospitalized as a result of the injuries he had allegedly sustained from his father's abuse, which prompted the prosecuting department to include a murder charge in the ongoing trial on the 31st of October 2017. He said, a man wanted in Rhode Island on charges of murder, inflicting serious bodily injury to a child, and unlawful flight to avoid prosecution has been added to the U.S. Marshal Service 15 most wanted fugitive list, with an up to $25,000 reward being offered for information leading to his arrest. The U.S. Supervisory Deputy Marshal noted that after frantic efforts to locate Olawusi, it was discovered that he had fled the country on the 20th of June 2017, while stressing that further investigation revealed that he was receiving assistance from family members in Nigeria. Olawusi is wanted for the abuse and murder of an innocent child and has fled the country to avoid justice. We've placed Mr. Olawusi on our 15 most wanted list due to the heinous crimes he committed and the threats he continues to pose to the public. The USMS will exhaust all resources necessary to bring him to justice for his family and the community. Providing detailed description, Olawusi, who uses the alias Olekun Olawusi, stands 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs approximately 185 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Information regarding his whereabouts may be reported to the U.S. Marshals at 1877-122-926-8332 or via the USMS tip app, Freeman concluded. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.